Hello. How can I help you today?
Hello, I need to see a doctor.
Do you have an appointment?
No, I don't have an appointment.
That's okay. What is your name?
My name is Lily.
Nice to meet you, Lily. What is your problem today?
I don't feel well.
She has a headache, and she feels very tired.
I understand. A headache and tired. Can you fill out this form, please?
Yes, I can fill out the form. Thank you. Please sit down. The doctor will call you soon.
Thank you.
Don't worry, Lily. The doctor is very nice.
I'm a little nervous.
I know, but it's okay. The doctor will help you.
Max, I don't speak English very well. What if I don't understand the doctor?
Don't worry. Speak slowly. The doctor will understand you.
But what do I say?
Just tell the doctor how you feel.
How do I say that?
You can say, I have a headache, or my head hurts.
My head hurts. Okay.
Yes, very good. You can also say, I feel tired.
I feel tired. That's easy.
Yes, it is easy. The doctor might ask, where does it hurt?
Where does it hurt?
Yes, then you point to your head and you say, here, my head hurts here.
Here. My head hurts here. I understand.
Perfect, you're doing great.
What if the doctor asks other questions?
Just listen carefully. If you don't understand, say, can you repeat that, please?
Can you repeat that, please?
Exactly. Or you can say, I don't understand. Can you speak slowly?
I don't understand. Can you speak slowly?
Yes, very good, Lily.
Hello, Lily. I'm Dr. Smith. How are you today?
Hello, Dr. Smith. I don't feel well.
I'm sorry to hear that. Can you tell me what's wrong?
My head hurts.
Your head hurts. I see. Where does it hurt?
Here. My head hurts here.
Okay. Does it hurt all the time or sometimes?
I don't understand.
That's okay. Does your head hurt now?
Yes, my head hurts now.
Does your head hurt every day?
Yes, every day, for 3 days.
I understand. For 3 days. Do you have other problems?
Yes, I feel very tired.
You feel tired. Do you sleep well?
No, I don't sleep well.
I see. Do you have a fever?
A fever? I don't understand.
A fever is when your body is hot. Your temperature is high.
Oh, no, I don't have a fever.
Good. That's good. Let me check your temperature.
Okay,
Please open your mouth.
like this?
Yes, perfect. Just a moment. Your temperature is normal. No fever.
That's good.
Yes. Now let me listen to your heart.
Okay,
Please breathe in. Breathe out. Good. Again. Breathe in. Breathe out.
is everything okay?
Yes. Your heart sounds good. Your lungs sound good.
Thank you.
Lily, I think you have a tension headache.
A tension headache?
Yes, it's a common headache. It comes from stress or from being very tired.
Stress?
Stress is when you worry a lot, or when you work too much.
Oh, I understand. Yes, I work a lot, and I don't sleep well.
That's the problem. Your body needs rest.
I need rest?
Yes, you need to sleep more. 7 or 8 hours every night.
7 or 8 hours. Okay.
And you need to drink water. Drink a lot of water every day.
How much water?
6 to 8 glasses of water every day.
6 to 8 glasses. I understand.
Also, try to relax. Take breaks when you work.
Take breaks.
A break is when you stop working. You rest for a little time.
Oh, I see. Take breaks. Okay.
Yes, work for 1 hour, then take a break for 5 or 10 minutes.
1 hour work, 5 or 10 minutes break.
Exactly. This will help your headache.
Will my headache go away?
Yes, I think so. If you rest and drink water, your headache will go away.
That's good news.
I will give you some medicine for your headache.
Medicine?
Yes, these are pain pills. They will help the pain.
Pain pills. Okay.
Take 1 pill when your head hurts.
1 pill when my head hurts.
Yes, but don't take more than 3 pills in 1 day.
Not more than 3 pills in 1 day. I understand.
Take the pill with food and drink water.
With food and water. Okay.
If your headache doesn't go away in 1 week, come back to see me.
1 week. If my headache doesn't go away, I come back.
Exactly. Do you have any questions?
No, I think I understand everything.
The doctor explained everything very well.
Good. Here is your prescription.
Prescription?
Yes, this paper is your prescription. Take it to the pharmacy.
The pharmacy?
The pharmacy is the place where you buy medicine.
Oh, I understand. I take this paper to the pharmacy.
Yes, they will give you the medicine.
Thank you, Dr. Smith.
You're welcome, Lily. Take care of yourself. Rest and drink water.
I will. Thank you very much.
Feel better soon.
Max, thank you for coming with me.
You're welcome. How do you feel?
I feel better. I'm not nervous now.
Good. The doctor was very nice, right?
Yes, very nice, and I understood everything.
You did great, Lily. Your English is very good.
Thank you. Now I need to find a pharmacy.
There's a pharmacy near here. I'll show you.
Thank you, Max. You're a good friend.
You're welcome. Remember what the doctor said. Rest and drink water.
Yes, I remember. Rest, drink water, and take breaks.
Perfect. And take your medicine.
I will. I want my headache to go away.
It will. Just follow the doctor's advice.
I will. Thank you again, Max.
Anytime, Lily. Let's go to the pharmacy now.
Okay, let's go.